Hey guys, this is the Cormorant model home by Tri Pointe Homes. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Alex with Realty, your go-to Houston realtor and new construction specialist. Now what we do on this channel is we showcase new construction communities for you guys, and we talk about the upgrades, incentives, inventory homes, and more. So before we jump into this home tour, if you are in the Houston market or surrounding area and you would like access to builder incentives, upgrades, or expert guidance at no cost to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe and like button. I help buyers like you every single day find the perfect new build for them and saving them thousands in the process. So today is June 18th. We are in Trillium in Richmond, Texas. Trillium is a new construction community that just opened up last year. We are right off 1464 and near West Park Tollway. We've got Costco, H-E-B, and Target all around us, and there's lots of shopping to do around here. For schools, we're in the Fort Bend ISD. We've got James Patterson Elementary School. For middle school, we got Crockett Middle School, and then we also have Travis High School. So Trillium's tax rate is at a 2.76, and just as a reminder, if you apply for homestead, you can get that rate lower. HOA is $950 annually. That's gonna cover the pool, the recreation center, and the maintenance all around the community. For gas, you got SI Energy, and for electric, you got CenterPoint Energy. And for cabling, you guys are gonna be using Comcast Xfinity. So the builder that we're with today is Trillium. We're on the 40-foot lot. Their floor plans start anywhere from 1558 all the way to 2396 for the 40-foot lot. Those prices are going to be anywhere from 389 all the way to 453. Now that's the base price to build out, and you're looking to add anywhere from 6 to 9% of the base price in upgrades. Some of the things that could increase the price on those upgrades really just depends on the lot premium, the elevations that you choose, and the interior design. So that's it for the floor plans. Let's go ahead and take a tour of this beautiful model home. All right guys, here we are. This is the Cormorant house floor plan. We are here again in Richmond, Texas, in the beautiful community of Trillium. Here's that 360 for you guys. So this model floor plan right here is 2,396 square feet. This can be anywhere from 3 to 5 bedrooms. This model has 4 bedrooms, and we'll get to take a look at that in a little bit. Bathrooms, you're anywhere from 3.5 to 3 bathrooms. And the base price for this is $456. All right, so right here you have the beautiful staircase right here. That option is an upgrade. Walking into the kitchen and main living area. Garage over there, we'll get to that in a second. But let's take a look at the main living area. So as you can see, kitchen island, fit about 3 bar stools right there. All right, so this is a very open floor plan right here. So taking a look at the kitchen, you're gonna have granite countertops, nice backsplash, and backsplash lighting right there. Lots of cabinet space for you guys. And here's the pantry. Nice walk-in pantry right here. So again, this is a 2-story home, 2,396 square feet. Alrighty. So this house has a 5-gas burner cooktop. There's a close-up of that backsplash right there. And whenever you're building your home, you'll have the option to choose between different backsplashes that they offer. Opening this up right here, you have the vent hood that circulates to the outside if you turn on the fan. Great. And here's the kitchen island with the dishwasher. All right. So something that I've noticed, okay, so this is the undermount sink, very wide right here, but something that I've noticed with a lot of Tri Pointe homes is that they have this unique feature with the faucet. Basically, if you just touch any part of the faucet, it's going to turn on. There you go. Turn on. You just gotta, it needs a little bit of touch. This one right here, not working as well. Not sure what's going on here. There you go. Boom, 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 boom. Usually it doesn't require that much pressure. Usually I can just take the tip of my finger and touch it and then it'll turn on and off. Here's the dishwasher. All right, and into the main living area. So right here, you would normally have the dining table with some natural light coming in. You've got the high ceilings right here. All right, let's look up there. Nice, a lot of natural light coming in. Love the windows. Backyard is nice and spacious. We'll get into the backyard in a bit. All right, and then to my left, we got the primary bedroom. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Take a peek in here. Primary bedroom, guys. So you can see that this primary bedroom has a custom wall right there, right behind the bed. That one is also an upgrade. And then leading into the bathroom, you have French doors. They're gonna open outward towards you. Okay, so something interesting that Tri Pointe has done with this model home is that they've decided to do overmount sinks. Something that I don't see very often. You will have the option to do undermount sinks. All right, linen closet. Boom, boom, nice big shower. You will also have the option to build a tub as well if you need that. But this model, they just have the big shower. All right. Toilet and closet right here. So again, this is 2396 square feet, perfect size for younger families or smaller families, I should say. Toilet. Obviously, if you have a bigger family or you need bigger space, it would be better to get a bigger house. Okay, but this is just to showcase what about 2,400 square feet split between 2 stories would look like. All right, so right over here we have mudroom, half bath right here. Okay. All right, very simple. All right. Nice little window that goes into the mudroom. A little bit of storage right there for you guys. And a little bit of space for you to store things right here in this corner. Now let's go back out to our left. Gonna take a look at this closet right here. More storage for you guys. All right, Tri Pointe tries to be as efficient as possible because this is one of their smaller homes. We're on the 40-foot lot, so smaller lots you got to be as efficient as possible. Okay, take a look at the garage. So right here with the garage, you will have the option to extend that garage if need be. All right. Cool. So there's your garage right there. Now I'm going to take you guys upstairs. So again, this curved staircase right here is an upgrade. Otherwise, you would have that normal L shape. Oh, my phone going off. All right, so looking up here, we have a secondary family room. All right, and then you're gonna have 2 bedrooms upstairs. Okay, nice little space right here. It's all carpet upstairs, but you will have that option of changing it out to a different material if you like. Sorry, this is actually 4 bedrooms. Okay, so here's the first secondary bedroom. Take a look at that closet space. Nice. Decent amount of closet space right here. Some of the other homes that I tour, their closet space tends to be a little bit on the smaller side. So same thing over here. They have the overmount sink for this full bathroom. Tile flooring. All right. Little window right there just to bring in some lighting. Okay, and then over here you have the other 2 secondary bedrooms and another full bath. All right. That light fixture right there is an upgrade. Just something little unique that they wanted to throw in. So again, this floor plan will range anywhere from 3 to 5 bedrooms. If you're building out from the dirt up, the choice is totally yours. You'll have that option to do either a 2.5 bath or a 3 full bath. And then you'll also have the option to build a 2 to 3 car bay garage. Another unique feature that you can add is the electric fireplace. Just to add a little bit of vibe to that. Okay, dual vanity. Got some interesting tiles right here, hexagon shape. Notice that this window is a little bit longer than the other full bath. Alrighty. Let's go out here into the final bedroom. All right. This bedroom is at the front of the house. They have that custom wall right there. So whenever you're building out your home, you're gonna have a lot of different options for you to choose from. Generally, if you're gonna want a better deal, I would go for the inventory homes just because the closer that they are to completion, the builder generally tends to throw out better incentives. But if you're building from the dirt up, it's generally going to cost you more money just because you have that premium of selecting which lot you want, how you want your house to look, and all these different upgrades and options to choose from. So if you want more flexibility, I would build from the dirt up. But if you don't mind losing out on some features, then go with the inventory. Now let's take a look at this backyard right here. Nice and spacious backyard. All backyards, they're not all going to be the same. You'll have different lots to choose from. Some will be smaller, some will be bigger. So that's it for today's video. If you're thinking about buying a new home in Houston or the surrounding areas, now is the time. Builders are more motivated than ever, and I can help you maximize these incentives and negotiate on your behalf. If you enjoyed the video and you want to keep up with new construction in Houston, make sure to click that subscribe and like button for more weekly home tours. And if you want a private showing or if you want to see if this build fits your needs, text or call me today. My info is right here on the screen and in the description below. One last thing, drop a comment if there's a neighborhood or builder you want me to tour next. I'm excited to see what you guys are interested in, and I would love to provide more info for you guys to see. But until then, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.